Hello friends, this is Partho sir. In the recent years, we have seen from the last 5 to 6 years, there are certain problems coming in the integration area, especially in the definite as well as in the indefinite integral area, where the problems are not given in a very direct manner. That means we are getting some kind of integrated problems. So today I'm going to discuss with you one of the integrated problem where it has been mentioned how to use the rational fraction along with the quadratic equation in a particular problem. Now see first what is the problem is actually if fx is a quadratic function such that f of 0 is equal to 1 and f of minus 1 is equal to 4, and if integration of fx dx by x square plus 1 plus x whole square is a rational function, then we have to find out the value of f of 10. Now first what we will do, we will consider let gx is a function. This gx will be equal to integration of fx dx by x square into 1 plus x square. Now we can redesign that particular integration in the form of rational fraction. Now how will you do it? Now we'll consider this as like a by x plus b by x square plus c by 1 plus x plus d by 1 plus x whole square. So this will be our complete form. Now if we integrate it, then we will get gx equal to this. So gx will be equal to integration of a dx by x plus integration of b dx by x square plus integration of c dx by 1 plus x and integration of d dx by 1 plus x whole square. Now after integrating these four functions, what we will get? We will get a log of x after integrating this portion. Then we will integrate this and we will get minus of b by x plus we will get c of log of 1 plus x and we will get minus of d by x plus 1 and plus another constant, that is e. Now as it is mentioned that gx is, as it is mentioned over here that this entire function is a rational function. So as it is given that your gx is a rational function, so here the term this one and this two, this would be 0. So we can consider a log x and c log x would be 0 because there will be no value of a and c. So you can say a is equal to c is equal to 0 because in case of if it is the gx is a complete rational function, so in that area you cannot put these two terms a log x and c log of x plus 1. So if we consider these two as a 0 and reframe this entire integration, then we will find integration of f of dx by x square plus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. This would be equal to, this will be equal to your integration of, this will come down to integration of b by x square plus d by 1 plus x whole square dx. Okay, so now what we will do? Now we will just simply reframe it. Reframe it in the sense, we will just check it that what will be the value of fx. Like here, if we take a LCM, then you will see that b plus x whole square, and here d into x square. This is the entire numerator portion, and denominator will be x square into 1 plus x whole square into dx. Now this will be the left hand side, that is integration of fx dx by x square into 1 plus x whole square. Now comparing the coefficient, so if we compare the coefficient of both left hand side and right hand side, then we will find that f of x, this function, is equal to b into 1 plus x whole square plus d into x square. Now what we will do here, if you just check here, it is mentioned that f of 0 is equal to 1 and f of minus 1 is equal to 4. So if we consider here x is equal to 0, so f of 0, we know the value of f of 0 is 1, so we will get b into 1 plus 0, that means this will be b, plus d into 0, that means d into 0, so it comes down to b. So we will get ultimately the value of b, that is equal to 1. Now if we put x is equal to minus 1, then it will be f of minus 1 is equal to 4, so we will get a value, that is there b into 0, and here it will be d into minus 1 whole square, so it will be d. So we will get a value of d is equal to 4, correct? So we will get a value of d is equal to 4. Now check what we can do over here. So in the earlier equations, we have seen that we get the two values. One is the value of that is d is equal to 4, and another one is b is equal to 1, that we have already got. So what we will do, we will just check that what's the fx is. Now if we put the earlier equation, it was given that fx is equal to b into 1 plus x whole square plus d into x square. Now as we have already know the value of b and d, so if we put over here, so it will come down to 1 plus x whole square, that is the value of b is 1, because we can mention that the value of b is equal to 1, as we have already got it from the earlier equation, and the value of d is equal to 4, so we can write down here 4x square. Is it clear? Because b, the value of b which you have already got from the earlier equation, and d value is 4, so we just put this two value over here. Now we have to find out the value of f of 10, so we will just put over 10, and we will get 1 plus 10 this whole square plus 4 into 10 square. So ultimately it comes down to 11 square plus 4 into 100. So ultimately the entire result which will come, that is 11 square, that means 121 plus 400, so the answer will be 521. So that's the end of this problem. Thank you.